Aries, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of September. Aries, we're doing this from the 23rd of September to the 28th of September. Aries, you are the Emperor, which usually means, Aries, sometimes you should not try to overcompensate your status. You should just let your work speak for itself, Aries. You're the Emperor. Remember, the Emperor not only retires at the end of them life, them retire looking back at the accomplishments. It's like you used to be a great YouTuber. So when you're old, in your old age home, sitting down, looking back at your life, you start re-watching all of your videos. Aries, I'm also getting something about don't get greedy. I'm getting something is about to come your way. Something is in the making. I'm getting it's imperative you don't become greedy, because greed will lead to theft. Because you're greedy, a thief. Because you're greedy. I'm not sure if this is something about a behavioral problem. I'm getting something about greed. This could also be something about me getting a Aries, like a business owner. Something about them will start to have health problems because of them weight, because them greedy. So this could be something like organ failure. I don't know if this is kidney or liver. It could be something I'm getting like pain. You have this pain in your stomach, and I don't know if you think is gas. I don't know if you feel like I'm getting this pain keep a hurt. It feels like something is knotted in your side. It could be something about your intestines. But I'm getting you have to go into doctor for this. But I'm getting something is manifesting from greed. Now, Aries, you're the Emperor, and I did not think in my 32 years of living, I would have to be behaving like this for the fucking city of Toronto and also for YouTube, right? But Aries, let me just address the public for something, please, and thank you. Because sometimes it's me alone and it's not for Uno. So I can't talk to Uno one-one. I'm going to have to repeat myself, like the script that has been being used on me for the past 5 blood clot years. Let me tell you something. I said this yesterday while I was talking to God, and I'll say it again. Me not know how is it. Let me tell you something. You see, if my clitoris was not perfect, I would not be getting the stalking and the attention that I've been getting. Aries. Now I don't know if an Emperor is stalking out your clit, because apparently he has a lot of minions around him to send to do what he wants to do. Maybe the Emperor is distracted the fact that him dick is garbage. And speaking of garbage blood clot workers, me don't know what is happening with me and the city of Toronto. Why is it that after all my accomplishments and everything that I have done, garbage people are stalking me? Garbage people. Now I do know that the garbage is in Canada, the garbage system, whether if it's not 311, it's the other one. I don't know if it's the green one. One of them owned by Italian mafias. One of them owned, because I know in Canada, Italian people, Italian and somebody else, them have a private company for garbage. Yeah, that's how them distribute them coke. A famous garbage collector who used to distribute coke would be Fabrizio Di Stefano. Yes, I wonder if it's him is trying to stalk out my blood clot plate. 5 years now. Fabrizio Di Stefano, remember say when my blood clot meet, I used to suck my pussy every blood clot day. The first time you fuck me, you rape me. Remember that? I'm now blood clot, stop saying it. I'm not going to say this on behalf of the Mother Community Center on Decanary Avenue and from the Fabrizio Di Stefano family, and his sister named Anna Di Stefano, and she in a real estate, and his father Nino Stefano. I mean, never know some father work on radio. Garbage people and blood clot start me. And that's why your blood clot rape me, dirty blood clot, Fabio, because they didn't want to breed me. And yeah, your sister fake pregnancy. And that's what they didn't want. Oh, you know much. That's how the blood clot walk. And when I meet you, the only thing you do is something pussy every blood clot day. Every day, the first time you fuck me, you rape your blood clot rape me because you don't want to breed me. And thank God, whether your old blood clot semen or it was my tight pussy, make sure that no baby never blood clot sitting on me. Why is it that garbage collectors are harassing me? These coke sellers? What the fuck is happening? You think I'm afraid of a man who collect garbage? Brody, you collect dog shit what people take up every single day when them a walk with them dog, and you collect used bloody pad every day. Remember that. That's how you blood clot eat. So why would I be intimidated of a man who collect my dry pad every blood clot month? This makes no sense. This makes no sense. I'm just telling you, I'm not sure where this is coming from, but it's very disappointing that the anarchy of what this is coming from garbage collectors, really. The quote codes, Italian them, me not care, I don't give a fuck. One man did that one more day I say, you're not really supposed to. Because one man, I talked to him about the same situation and say, yeah man, the Italian them man, I them own the garbage thing and every single thing. I don't really care. You should know that. You can't blood clot run me from here, so. And a blood clot Quebec with they have blood clot Toronto, remember that. Also, I just want to say that, yeah. So I understand the tactics, I understand what you're doing, but you have to remember, you collect my use pad every blood clot month for eat. Remember, said the reason why your girlfriend, as a matter of fact, you're a blood clot garbage collector. You can't tell no girl what you do for blood clot work and get pussy. Remember that. Remember, your job description is not on Tinder. Go on Tinder now and swipe occupation. You're not seeing a blood clot garbage collector. Remember that. You have a life to get pussy. Probably because that dick is as garbage as the blood clot garbage you collect every day. What the fuck? This fucking cokehead feeling, one of the biggest cokehead, because I used to traffic cocaine down a blood clot Quebec. Fabrizio Di Stefano, right? The original blood clot pad and garbage blood clot collector. You can't intimidate me. I don't give a fuck if it's a city or it's private entity. I am telling you, go suck your mother. The fuck? You got intimidate. Oh yeah, Brody, you think I'm African, don't you? You think I come from Africa? Don't you? Don't you? Really? Garbage. Brody, you collect use pad every blood clot month. You collect baby shitty diapers every blood clot month. Remember that, yeah? Remember that. Because I've been treating people equally. It doesn't matter if you're a cleaner or you're a motherfucking CEO, but some of them blood clot garbage people, they deserve to be. You know what education is supposed to have to be a garbage collector? None. You're probably a felon and you have to do blood clot time, so them sending a blood clot clean garbage. That's what the fuck probably happened to you. You are a felon, convict, prisoner. So I'm just saying to the public, I am aware, I know, and I've seen, and I just want to say, because I never be blood clot scared, that man will collect blood clot garbage. You collect used bloody pad. You collect used bloody pad and blood clot tampon and shitty baby diapers and dog shit for go home, go blood clot feed your kids and your wife, who probably is out telling our girls that your dick is blood clot garbage. You can never blood clot run me from yourself. What the fuck you think you deal with? Fuck out of here, ho. Aries, let's go ahead and go into your reading. The fuck? You see the shit? You see we're fucking crazy. Let's go, Aries. Let's see what the first card is. What the fuck? Them girlfriend pussy is garbage. That's why they keep fucking on her. Did they say that? Did they tell you that? No? You did not tell you? Okay. Okay. First card out is the Hermit. So the Hermit card is Virgo. The Hermit card is also secrecy. It could also be a clan or a cult because everybody is in a robe. All right, so I'm getting something is being led by a Virgo, orchestrated by a Virgo, or obviously something is meant for you to not see. Now, something could be linking back to a Virgo. Maybe you are getting the repercussions of something that linked back to a Virgo. All right. Let's go again. We have a Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Virgo owe money. What the fuck that have to do with you? I'm getting somebody owe money. A Virgo, somebody owe money. Six of Pentacles, or somebody need help. Somebody owes money or somebody need help. And I don't know if a Virgo owe money, so never come for you, right? But me getting something about unpaid bills. Something was unpaid. Six of Pentacles with a Virgo, or something about a huge debt. No wonder why every blood clot, man. Let me tell you something. So let me get this straight. She is 0 body count, 23 years old, with $300,000 worth of student loan debt. And she's 32. And body count unknown. I'm a click carry 0 debt. Remember that. I said the way how these bitches and wiggers in Canada jealous. So the blood clot jealous. No, I don't have a baby. I don't have student loan. Bitch, I got no credit. My C is good. I am competing with bitches who are in working class, and I'm still under the supervision of the government. You see how it's weird. It's so weird how I can walk in a room even though I'm still under the supervision of the government, and a bitch who have our education and degree is intimidated. How you gonna make a bitch who's shopping at motherfucking Valley Village Make this bitch feel, it's crazy if I just show you. To just show you. You can't, let me tell you something, you can't blood clot run me from yourself. Remember that. Slut, whore. How do you feel knowing that you went through college, you have a nice blood clot carrier drive, and you see me walk past, and you're so blood clot angry? Sweetie, I'm under supervision of the government. Valley Village close is making your blood clot man straight. This is crazy. You know that? It's very crazy. Anyways, we have something about a Virgo and an unpaid bill. All right. We also have a Gemini. So I'm getting the lovers card. Yeah. So your man, two woman and a man. I'm getting something about payment. Somebody's supposed to pay you, or something about a Virgo took money on behalf of you being a part of an agreement. I'm getting polyamory because the Gemini card is 3 women. Now he's choosing between which woman he wants to go back and forth to. I'm not sure if somebody sold you somebody and said it's okay, she will always be here. You have her. So whether you lock her, if you lock her up in our house and do what you want to do, and you can always come back to her. I don't know if that was the money arrangement, right? Because I'm getting something was sold. I'm getting the man have 2 of it. I'm getting his 2 different women. He buy 2 woman bed. 2 blood clot woman in buy bed. I'm only going to fuck 1 on it. Let's go again. Yeah, 9, 7. Yeah, I'm getting something. Yeah, I'm getting a Gemini. Me getting a Gemini is going to a Virgo and saying, what the fuck happened? What am I do? What happened? Or something about what the Gemini. Me getting something about a Virgo owing something, or them lost a lot of money. Or the Virgo is telling the Gemini, you need to give me back my money now. Me getting something about a refund. And me getting the Gemini saying, me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do. Maybe you're saying you don't know who to choose. Me literally getting 1 girl you buy and 1 girl you date. And the girl where you buy, you put her down for later, you date another girl. But me getting the girl where you buy, something is happening, Gemini. This can also say that you don't know which one to choose. You're saying, which one should I choose? I don't know, because both of them make me feel good. But me getting something about a transaction that you did with a Virgo. 1 more, and we have the Judgment. Me literally getting somebody going remove themselves from the situation. So I'm getting no refunds. So you buy 2 girl, or you decide say 2 you want. Me getting you buy 1 first from a Virgo, then you buy a second one. Me getting the one where you buy from the Virgo, that nil, that cancel, that no refunds. Me getting it cancel. You want 1 bitch here, 1 bitch here. Yeah, the Virgo know what them I do. The Virgo would have never, ever, ever, ever make it get your way. With especially one of the bitch him sell you, the girl him sell you. Yeah, he never want the girl bed with you. He want the money and no refunds. So you got played. That's like a Virgo seller. The Virgo seller, yeah, here's my daughter. Yeah, you can be with her. It's okay. Even if you cheat on her, it's okay. This is the life she going to live. The Virgo never tell us that them selling 1 blood clot, Tasmanian and devil, for fuck up your whole life. It's going to fuck up your business, your relationship with your family. It's going to fuck up your real estate. It's going to fuck up your dick. Your dick can't stand up no more. It's going to fuck up everything. And the Virgo going to say no refunds. Because the Virgo know that ain't the girl that you want the girl to be sold to anyways. So you played yourself. Like a fucking credit card debt. We have the king of the yeah, you have money. And that's what the Virgo did want, money. You think the Virgo, you really think the Virgo sell you to you didn't really think the Virgo was going to sell somebody to you knowing that you had somebody else? Let me tell you something, especially about buy and sale. You sell to that, you sell it to the highest bidder. The highest bidder don't usually have 2. The highest bidder usually bid 1. If you go into any blood clot, famous room with billionaires, them go there and then buy 1 thing for $1 billion and them leave. The rich. Me not talk about the one them by their action and them buy left, right, and center like here the blood clot unloaded container wars. Me not talk about that. The rich, them go there and them wait until every piece is shown and them only write 1 check for 1 figure. And them give and them leave. They don't buy multiple pieces at the art gallery. Your blood clot, man, that's ghetto. How the fuck you going to have this painter in here and this art piece in your house? That's ghetto. You have it by the... You usually have all pieces by the same artist. You don't see she's having Nicki Minaj poster and Nick Cardi B poster. You have all what merchandise by Cardi B or by Nicki Minaj, right? So now you go into an auction and you really believe, even if you did buy it, they're going to take it back from you. Because you have two. You can't have two. Gemini, I'm getting something about you and a Virgo. No, Virgo and Gemini rules communication. So I'm getting a deal between you and a Virgo. So maybe a deal between you and a Virgo got bad, so them I take it out upon you. Or a deal went bad between a Virgo and a Gemini in the past, so them I take it out upon you, something like that. Because I'm getting you're getting the repercussions of a deal that a Virgo and a Gemini made. When it comes down to either sex, love, or reproducing and having a family with somebody. Maybe you back out of the deal. Maybe say you don't want it. Maybe tell him to go suck him mother. And you rather stay alone without kids and find a nicer, newer blood clot man than deal with him. Because he is not that hot and his dick game is not that great. It is not that great. So even if this Gemini motherfucker is going around talking about him want two, your dick cannot handle two, sir. Your dick game is not that great for handle two. You want two because you're an insecure, undeveloped adult. So when you're tired of your blood clot manipulated games with one girl and she catch up to your blood clot manipulation games, you go to the other girl and you triangulate them. I saw your blood clot though, Gemini. See, you should know that even though you're a free thinker, you're really retarded. You should know that. You're probably inbred. That's all you do. That's all you do to make that insecure, fatherless soul feel happy. You have to triangulate women. That's all you do. You compare she to she, and you have two, and your blood clot they cannot stand up for more than half an hour. But no, you're not talking about fucking when you're talking about the two. You're talking about the fact that you have dirty, nasty blood clot ways, that your nasty pussy mother never blood clot teach you properly, and now you come out and you have to use women for your attention. And when the women catch up to your nasty blood clot patterns and behaviors, you have to leave one and go to the other. And 3 months later, your blood clot come back to the one where you left. To see if them still upset with you, and if they're not upset with you, then you pretend that the choice you picked is a choice you made. I don't deal with garbage men. And garbage men come from garbage pussy women. A garbage pussy woman that chances are the man who she fuck, her pussy was so garbage him left her. I could never be blood clot intimidated by a man who collect my blood clot use pad every month. Remember that. Let's get some cards. You can't blood clot run me from me, so know that. You can't run me from me, so know that. We have chanted and spells. We have Illuminati. You can't blood clot run me from me, so know that. I don't give a fuck who you pay, where you sign, where you in our blood clot. Is that what you want? Is that what you... The conversation that you and the Virgo had? Is that what you want? You'll never fucking get it. You'll never get it. You'll never fucking get it. Remember that. Remember say all the torment. Remember no matter what you want to. Remember it don't matter if you're bringing family grudge. You collect, use blood clot pad, baby shit diapers, and dog shit every blood clot day so your kids can eat. Remember that. Remember that. Remember say you can't go up on a blood clot dating site and tell girls say you collect blood clot garbage for your living. Remember that. Remember that. So turn up the games. Turn up the blood clot heat, my man. We have greed. That was your message. Don't get greedy. That was your message. Greed. Yeah, making somebody get greedy and they must swell up like a blood clot. They must swell up like a dead body. Me getting somebody that have some. They might get slow and tired. Me getting breathing and go down. You fucker you. But yeah, you think. What you think you deal with? What you think you mess with? Let me tell you something. You see when you mess with them people here, them don't have to be in contact with you for your life to get fucked. You don't have to talk to them. You don't have to be in contact with them. You don't have to know them. You could have been in a blood clot Mississauga and them in a blood clot Scarborough and you get liquid something and you don't know how. It come from them. Know that. Remember that. Remember that. You understand? So no matter what you know about me before me did born, and no matter what you know about me what I don't know now. Let me tell you something. You collect blood clot tampon for your living. Remember that. And you launder the blood clot bloody pad and tampon for the coke business. Remember that. Go suck your mother. We have Michael. Oh, Michael no Italian too. Michael, it was another Italian. And him and my ex-husband best friend. He no blood clot Italian too. Let's go. Warrior and protector leading armies of angels. Okay. So maybe we can trust this one. Maybe. We have secret society. Yep. The fuck is this? Harassing my fucking clit. I want the city of Toronto to know if a person never type me want to get this much harassment. Man wanted to on my name, so. I'm gonna tell you something. Even if 100 man I say my pussy do good, why 100? Why you know how hard it is to get a Google review on your business? How 100 man a review say your pussy do good? Let me tell you something, man. She can't be a 304 and she can't be for the streets if all our ex them would have fuck her back again. Remember that. So unless your exes say, no, but I never fuck her again. Brody, you can't be a 303, baby. Brody, that don't exist. What is that? What is that? How you gonna be a 303 when all the exes want to fuck you? I remember telling the city of Toronto something this. Regardless of all my humiliation and anything I got through, call any blood clot man and ask a man if he never left me before. You hear? On top of just on top of this. So why I'm trying to make it look like my life sad when I say very, very tight. Ask the blood clot man if them they left me or me they left them. What the fuck you think, girl? What the fuck is this? A man who collect fucking shitty diapers and bloody pad is stalking up my clit. If my pussy never good, I want to get the attention when I get caught. Enough pretty girl out there. With bigger breasts, bigger ass. Enough pretty girl out there. But this is the pretty girl where they look like the link up, and everybody have a unanimous decision. And so what is happening to my clitoris, and the whole of them want to fuck my back. And the whole of them want to stalk me. And the whole of them want to watch me. And the whole of them try to show up on me there. Because I don't want me back again. I'm left on no. I'm a don't want you again. And I'm moving on and I'm happy. I have so much time. Tell you something, dick not hard to forget, you hear? Dick easy for blood clot get. You think you're interfering with my dick life? You're not interfering with me getting dick. You have to know that. You're not me don't need phone to get dick. Know that. Me don't need internet to get blood clot cock. You know that. So you should know that even though you've been hearing rumors about me, my clitoris has been dormant for the past days. So you should know that you can't blood clot stop me. The fuck you think this is? Brody, we strike goal with the 32 now. We strike goal. Goal is 32. Ask cash pot. We strike goal now. 32. One more year and we're going to blood clot 33. 33 degrees of masonry. We strike goal already at 32. What the fuck is this? Use pad. Dog shit collecting. Piss up diapers entity. I stock up my clits. Brody, you do you. But remember, when you're doing you, what I think of you is that you're collecting my use pad every blood clot month. You can never blood clot intimidate me. Never. The fuck you think I did with yourself? On a vex coming now, fuck you again. You vex coming, I call you back. You vex coming, I talk to you. You vex, oh the fuck well. Find a bitch better than me. Oh, there we go, you can't. See, I would have said to you, I wish you the best, but you already had it. So good fucking luck. We also have Azazel. Teaches humans the art of war and cosmetics. I remember blood clot tell you something too. When you send your nasty blood clot, nasty pussy minion bitches towards me, make sure the girl them know wear blood clot false nails, or false hair, or false lashes. Remember that. Go suck your mother. You think you can blood clot intimidate me? Half of these bitches, I am talking about bitches who look like me when I talk about black rights and black things. How could you be talking about black rights with that Caucasian here? The fuck wrong with you? And you know, I'm all about black love. I love my black man. So what the fuck you have on Caucasian here for? So leave me alone if I want to fuck any other race. Cause bitch, you ain't wearing the race of your blood clot head. Remember say with your blood clot medical degree, you have to go blood clot here just have to learn how to plait your ear. Your hair cannot be tamed or blood clot control without a blood clot salon stylist. With your blood clot medical degree. You think a blood clot girl can intimidate me? Me I intimidate girl, I mean a blood clot Salvation Army clothes. Bitch, go suck your mother. Una working girl, una blood clot driving girl, big car, big business, have husband, have blood clot kids, and a bitch who still under the supervision of the government have you so blood clot mad. And if we switch the blood clot roles and go over to the male side, una blood clot man, that don't pay you and no attention. I don't give a fuck. When you think my value depends on people and man and baby and money. You think money are my value? The fuck is this? Tell us something. Dick not hard forget for me. That me make you know. Me don't need phone for fuck. That me make you know. So you not stop nothing from my life. Nothing. You're not blood clot, stop. And while you tell me say me I get old, you older than me. Remember that. Your dick can't blood clot stand up for younger. My pussy can't get wet for younger. Remember that. Your dick cannot stand up for long for younger woman. My pussy can still get wet for younger man. Know that. Go suck your mother. You think you can blood clot intimidate me? Get one of these. I'm gonna leave it here. Because these garbage people are crazy. This is fucking crazy. These are fucking dumb. What? Your vex coming out, call the back coming out, fuck you again. That's why your blood clot vex. You're fucking mad that I won't fucking call you back. That's what the fuck the problem is, girl. That's what the fuck you mad, bitch. You think of Africa I come from? No. This is what you get it real. Probably thought it came from Africa. Probably thought I was one of the submissive ones. No, that's Africa. No, African parents teach African women to be submissive, especially to men that are not their skin color. At Jamaica, my blood clot come from North America. Fuck you think this is? You think you're dealing with a blood clot? Wait, what the fuck you think? What the fuck? Fuck you think you're dealing with? So yeah, when you send your blood clot many and bitches towards me, make sure the whole have a real hair in. Make sure the nasty bitch now wear weave. Synthetic. The bitch wearing synthetic weave and feel like she can compete with you. Bitch, you have doctorate degree with synthetic hair. Oh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Bitch, your lashes look like caterpillar. So now you're gonna send bare fake bitches towards me. Brody, all of them fake. Them can't wear... Okay, first of all, tell them to take off the makeup. Can you tell them to do that? You're sending bitches to compete against me. Tell the girl to take off the fucking makeup. Tell her say she can't have no makeup. Tell her that. Tell the whore that. Before your blood clots and I. Let me tell you something. 80% of the girl when you send for trying to compete with me. No, I'm sorry. 90s, probably in the 90s. 90% of the girl when you send for compete with me, the bitch them fake. They can't compete with their edges. Their edges are not competing in the fucking race. So you want them compete with me and them fake. You have to put on fake things to look good. You know that? So why do you think that me would I ever find you as a threat? That's what happens when you don't get a high school education. You end up live your life in garbage. Let's get one of these and I'll leave it here because like it's crazy. Whoa. Okay. No, I don't like that one because I got it already. Let's go again. It says meditate for 5 minutes. Yeah. Stop reading a book. That book is going to do you no good, sweetie. Especially with that fucking kid you already have without the kid having a dad. Yeah, that book isn't going to help you. So might as well you meditate for 5 minutes and try to see what was in you the day that you decided to spread your legs and fuck a man raw and make him come inside of you without a commitment. Yesterday me hear somebody said, do you want kids? She said, yes, she want kids. Him said, when you want kids? She said, after marriage. Him pop the balloon. You want kids? You want kids? You want kids? You don't want kids? I'm not have kids. You want kids? You have a blood clot marry me first. Go suck your mother. Pussy hole. You think me I want them loose pussy girl them like you so? The fuck? The fuck you think me come? You think me come from Africa, no? Boy, you think me come from jollof rice, no? And this is no disrespect for my Africans, but we do know that African women are very submissive, right? The fuck you think this is? This is Aries. This is the Emperor. This is North America. The same place where Canada and blood clot US there. We're not back in the time. Africa 7 years behind. Remember that. Jamaica is not. Jamaica 1 hour behind. 1 hour forward. Africa 7 years behind. So I don't know if this having to do with an African person. Not sure what the fuck this is, but I'm just getting that, yeah, you're getting the anger, getting something about what a Virgo do is being taken out on you, basically. Pretty. This is a fucking, like, what the fuck? I'm gonna come in guns blazing. Like, guns blazing? Really, A? Really? Guns blazing, bitch? Really? How are you gonna be blazing guns when you don't have your kids? This is fucking crazy. I'm just gonna, Aries, the Emperor, I'm just gonna leave it here. Because shit is about to get real. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Aries, just goodbye. Just goodbye, Aries. Bye.